Hey guys, welcome to this next session, and today in this session we are going to see how we can download and install Postman on our Mac operating system. So Postman is basically used to API testing, and if you want to do the API testing, then the Postman is a good choice to go for. And we have previously seen that how we can install the Postman on our Windows operating system. So in case if you want to check that out, you can check out by clicking over here. So today here I'm going to show you how we can install it on our MacBook, and I'm using a MacBook which is having the Apple's Silicon chip. So you can just if you are having the MacBook like which is having the Apple's Silicon chip or Intel's chip as well, then the procedure is pretty same. There is no such a big difference in that, so you can follow these steps itself. So without wasting much more time, let me pull this browser, and inside the browser we have to type download Postman, and hopefully the first link that you will get will be from the Postman official website. So we have to click on the first link, and then I will provide this link into the description box, so don't need to worry about that. And then over here you will find the option to download the app, and here automatically it will detect your operating system. So that's why I'm just getting this Apple logo in front of this download the app text. Otherwise, if it fails to detect automatically your operating system, then you can click on this option that is not your OS, and it will show you the options like Windows or Linux. So if it fails to detect the operating system automatically, then you can just choose your operating system by the following options. So as of now my operating system is detected correctly, so let me click on this download the app button, and then it will start downloading the Postman. But to save the time and for the purpose of this session, I have already downloaded this file and kept it in my downloads folder. So let me show you. So let me just click on the finder, and then let me go to downloads, and here as we can see I have one file which is called as a Postman and having the extension as a zip file. So that the file it will download, it will be a zip file. So first of all we need to extract this file. So let me right click and open it, so that it will extract the zip file and it will give you the installer. And then what we have to do is we have to just click on the open, and then hopefully it will just open the Postman without any issues. And then it is just asking you for the confirmation like the Postman is downloaded from the internet, and are you sure you want to open it or not. So let me just click on the open, because I know that this file is there is no any harm to open this particular file. So now let me just wait till the Postman is opening, and once the Postman open is done, so it will again just ask like if you want to move this Postman to the application folder. So over here why it is asking is like let me just click on the launchpad, and then here you will find the different like icons like Google Chrome, AnyDesk, Visual Studio Code. So here the whatever the icons here shown are basically from the applications folder. So that's why it is asking us like whether you want to see these Postman icon into the launchpad as well. So I just want to see it to the launchpad. So let me just click on this, move it to the application folder, and then hopefully it will just take this Postman and put it into the applications folder, and then we can just find it into the application into the launchpad as well. And now as we can see, whenever I click on the launchpad, it is showing me the Postman icon over here, so that I can just easily open the Postman from the launchpad itself. Now what we have to do is we have to just wait till the first time it is getting loaded. So it might take some time till when the first time it is loading, but after that you know that Mac having the Mac M1 is optimized chip, so it will not take this much time. And now we can just create an account, otherwise we can just sign in if you have already the account. Otherwise, if you do not want to create or sign in, you can just keep these and you can just go to the app itself. So let me just click it, and now the Postman is installed on our Mac operating system successfully. So you can just now hit any endpoint, and you can just test any endpoint that you want. So over here you have the different options like create a request, and then you can just pull the push the URL over here. You can just taste your get, post, put, and different requests from this Postman. So I hope you got an idea around this one, like how to install this Postman on our on our Mac operating system. and previously we have seen that how to install this on Windows as well. So link is in the description box, so you can check that out as well. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and we'll see you in the next session.